What's going on? D.I.Y. Dad here. Getting ready to sand some of that plaster I put up the other day. I'm gonna use one of these sand blocks. You've seen them before. Get them pretty cheap at your Lowe's or Home Depot, whatnot. I don't want to use it. It's too quiet. It takes too long. So I'm gonna use the orbital sander. It might get a little loud, especially when little guy's sleeping. We'll see how long he sleeps when Dad starts using the orbital sander in a small kitchen. Here we go. Alright. I'm just gonna turn it on for a sec and turn it right back off because it'll take this plaster off so fast. Look at that. Still sleeping? Yeah, no noise. We're good. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go all the way now. Let's just go to town and sand everything down. Here we go.